Unboxing of Kall K-9. Friends, today we are going to unbox Kall K-9 mobile. Okay, big screen Kall K-9. You can see here there is a fingerprint sensor, but let's see what it is inside the box. Handset, battery, charger, user manual and warranty card. 6-inch IPS display, 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB model, 5 MP with flash and 2 MP selfie camera, up to 64 GB expandable memory, dual SIM plus 4G plus 2G, I can't see, 4G OLT support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 2800 mAh battery, Android 6.0. Okay, now I'll open the box. Opening the box, and I will keep it aside. This is the mobile. You can see this. When we open the mobile, this is the mobile Kall K-9. Kall K-9 5.99 full display, 2800 quad-core processor, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, ROM 16GB, 2GB. Okay. Capacitive touch, 2 MP, 5 MP. We'll remove this cover upon this. Okay. There is another cover, and this is the mobile. Back side. There is no fingerprint sensor, we can observe. 5 MP pixels, 5 megapixel camera. Okay, there is a flash. It's two grills, one for speaker and one for microphone. Okay, this is the mobile. I will keep it aside. And when we see inside the box, there is a battery, 2800 mAh battery, voltage of 3.7 volts, and there is another charging cable, normal micro USB, power adapter, normal power adapter. There is nothing written on this, and we got a screen. What is this? User manual and warranty card. I think this is warranty card. And this is user manual, and this is customer service helplines, and they also provided case. Okay, for this also they have provided a fingerprint hole, but for the phone there is no fingerprint backside. I will set my phone in this pouch. Okay, see this. This is the mobile. Now let's switch on it. Let's put the battery inside this mobile. You can see here SIM 1, SIM 2, and this is memory card slot. Okay, this is the battery, 2800 mAh battery. Okay, I will keep this inside the mobile. This is the back side cover of the mobile. I'll keep this also. Okay, it is nice. It will look like a premium phone. I'll turn on this now. You can see iCall. It is shown. Music has came. Now the mobile will be switching on. Taking some more time. Wait. Okay, it has been switched on. Mobile is still looking premium. Battery is low, 6% remaining. Okay, I will review it very fast. Volume up and down buttons and power button. I'll press it. How you can see it will automatically change the background. Check this. I like this. It is looking like very premium phone. Okay, I'm unlocking it. Okay, while we unlock it, it will be like this. I will connect it to my Wi-Fi and I will show you YouTube how it is working in this, how it is playing. There is no lagging. I used it today all. I will check. I have installed these apps. Pre-installed app. This is pre-installed app. Fruit Slice, WhatsApp. I have installed Airtel, Amazon, Vegas Crime, and Music Player, MX Player. Share it. I have used these all apps. Once we okay, I will connect it to my Wi-Fi. It has been connected to my internet, and let's check this. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data button, do not disturb, airplane mode, 4G. If we want to use 4G, we have to turn on this 4G. Auto rotate, flashlight, location, snapshot. Snapshot means screenshot. Cast, we can also cast our mobile screen to smart TVs. Okay, battery is 3%. Have to review this fastly. Okay, I have connected it to my Wi-Fi. I will show you the YouTube, the speed of YouTube, how it is opening. Check once. Try this. Okay, for this budget I have bought it in Udan at 3,999. 3,699, sorry. Okay, 3,699. I will play this video for you. I will play it in full screen. You can enjoy the full screen 6-inch mobile. It will play only up to 480p only resolution. 480p resolution. We can see here. We'll show you. Only 480p is supporting. I'll play it again. Okay friends, this is 480p screen. We can play 1080p videos on memory card, but we can only see in YouTube stream videos up to 480p resolution.